Good morning.
Morning. So today we're going into KL. I'm going to collect my camera. Not that it's fixed. We've decided that it's too expensive to fix. It'd be about £400.
Yeah.
Which that's 2/3 of what I paid for it. So, but we need to go collect it, and then we're going to go probably to a mall because I might be buying something else. But yeah, we're just waiting for our grab, and then we're going to go from there.
Yeah. Then we need to get the train into KL. So.
Yeah.
So we made it to the station and we managed to top up our commuter cards quite easily. Just have to insert a note and then it put that amount on there. And the train was expected at 9:56 on time, so it's nice that things work here in Malaysia.
Yeah. Failed the coffee though, it's not open until 10.
No. Yeah, the mall opposite doesn't open yet, but oh well, there's a little shop over there.
And I got a little bit of time before we have to get a grab to go meet the guy for my camera. So we're having a coffee.
In you go. So we're going back now. Got our MRT tickets. So we're gonna go to the MRT and get the train back. So yeah, not a bad day.
No, successful. But I ended that and got my old camera. So.
Hello.
Hello.
So we've come back to Bandar Sendayan Park. We had a little bit of a walk around, but it's absolutely roasting. But the main reason we are here is so that Dave can practice flying the drone, because there's a nice big open space at least.
New drone.
Yeah.
I'm terrified.
So yeah, we just want to practice getting used to all the controls and stuff without there being too many obstacles in the way. So see how that goes. It's so small.
Hello. So Alex and I are gonna go grab some lunch. We spent the morning doing some filming. The car is unbelievably hot that I've just sat in. Yeah, so we spent some time doing some filming today, and then we're gonna do some more later. We're off to go get some lunch, as I say. But yeah.
Let's go get beef noodles.
Yeah, we're gonna get some beef noodles, which we had before, but they were great, and I want to film some more of it because they were worth filming. But yeah, see you on the road.
So we have come to get beef noodles from Yiki. Beef noodles and curry laksa.
Beef bones with the soup. So yeah, so we have some tripe, the thick gooey noodles, chunks of beef, and then we have more of the beef jerky as well with peanuts. But yeah, you can see the sauces. It's and then some just pickled cabbage, I think, with a kind of cleansing broth. Yeah, and some hot sauce. I'm so excited. When someone includes hot sauce, we put in hot sauce. But only because I know how hot hot sauce is. And it's very hot. But yeah. Stuck up some tripe. It's thick, it's gravy-like. It's a bit of a pain because it's so slimy, but it's well worth it.
So we are trying another curry laksa at Yiki noodles. So we've got curry thick sauce.
Yeah.
We've got bread on top. We have like crackers and tofu. And like we could choose our noodles here as well, so we'll see how to. It looks very tasty. We weren't that bothered by the one before, but it looks nice.
Wonton wrappers, and then we have an egg. Yeah.
I have to put my hair up because it's gonna go everywhere in this. Let's try the sauce first. Oh, that's nice. It's like really curry, but coconut milky as well. A bit more like cow soy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat the rest of it.
With great difficulty.
I went for Q toy noodles as well. These are gonna be very hot though.
Yeah. Good?
Very hot. Nice though. Yeah, tasty. A lot nicer than the other one.
Cool. I'm gonna demolish this. Are some of the best food we've had around here.
Yeah. Yeah, Yiki beef noodle shop. Even when I had curry laksa, that was really nice as well.
So yeah, get the dry beef noodles. They're just
It's definitely the winner.
delicious. So we got some Vietnamese iced coffees because they're in a vape shop for some reason, but they're really good.
Yeah, these are called Tea. They've got like a banner.
Yeah.
And it's refined. Is there any live?
Yeah, but like proper iced coffee is really, really tasty. So Alex and I have come to the wet market to have a look around. We can't figure out the parking, so we may get charged, but we'll come to that when it comes to it. What are we getting?
I think we're getting beef noodles dry.
Yeah, hopefully. Not with
She
crab.
said there's a normal one that's with crab as
Yeah.
well. Or something else. So maybe something else.
So we've got beef noodle again. This is different to the other one, but it looks great. Again with the chili and the broth.
Very creamy.
What was that?
Very creamy.
Yeah.
It's so juicy.
So like the other one, we have like jerky style meat as well as more thick, but the texture
Stringy.
is great. It's really, really stringy. But yeah, look forward to eating this.
The other chendol place, see if there's park in there.
Yeah. How is it?
Really meaty flavour. Nice. It just coats the noodles.
Yeah. Yeah, I've mixed mine in. The only problem with this, which we had with the same one, so it's quite difficult to pick up because it's so slippy, but it's great.
Hello.
Hey, so we're going to do something slightly different in this video. We're going to actually bring you along whilst we try a couple of unique dishes that they have at some of the fast food places here in Malaysia. So we're probably going to do McDonald's and KFC because they're just the most readily available. But we'll show you a few different things that you can get at McDonald's and KFC that you definitely can't get in the UK.
Yeah.
So, we've got a few different things. So, nasi goreng is just fried chicken. Just another term for fried chicken. Nasi lemak. Oh.
There's still like certain ones.
It's all the spicy ones and the one regular. What do you
Yes,
want?
it's because this is on a deal.
Yeah, promotion.
Yeah, all the creamy butter chicken sold out.
So what we got?
Nasi lemak in McDonald's. So we have their version.
Yeah.
So rice, an egg. We've got spicy and normal chicken. And we got some sambal, which is spicy chili sauce. Yeah, it actually looks quite good.
Yeah. So this is one of the more unique things you'd actually get in a McDonald's in Malaysia, being as kind of the national dish. So yeah, so fried chicken is kind of an assumed thing. It's basically an egg like you get at breakfast, but then also you have the rice, which not many McDonald's do rice. But yeah, I look forward to it actually. It smells really good. So yeah, when's the last time you've seen just a slice of cucumber at McDonald's?
Sambal.
Another key element to nasi lemak is these. They are dried fish, almost kind of like dried whitebait, for kind of an English perspective, but they're really salty, which just give the whole thing kind of a fishy kick. So yeah, that was nasi lemak in McDonald's.
Yeah, nasi lemak is like
It's the national dish, unofficially. No, it was tasty. It tasted like nasi lemak. So if you like nasi lemak, worth trying.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it would work in terms of the UK palate. The use of the breakfast egg, I think, is great. That should be used in more stuff in McDonald's. We don't get McDonald's that often.
No.
But it was nice change of pace, something different.
Chicken was really good. We haven't actually had, despite the fact that everywhere does fried chicken here, we haven't actually had that much. So
No.
The chicken was really good. The sambal and stuff, sambal is just quite fishy, and it has always like little dried fishes, so it's not really my thing. But
Probably the biggest thing it was missing in terms of traditional was the fried peanuts.
yeah.
But overall, yeah, tasty. Would I get it again? Probably not, but I would get the chicken again.
Yeah, that's only because we don't really like nasi lemak.
It's fine. It's not my favourite, but I understand why people like it. And then it's just always interesting when you go somewhere and they have rice at McDonald's. Right. See you in a bit.